So got called by a customer today. He had a section of pipe replaced by a company. Still having issues. Just kind of wants an inspection. The other company says he has a lot of rust and grease, scale buildup in his main sewer outside. I guess that's what we're going to look for. Got a lip, bad joint. So basically from this clean out to where I'm at now, I'm about to get the locator out to find. Looks like we've got another issue in the pipe. Right here, right by the edge of the driveway, where we're finally good again. Close to another 10 foot of backfall, it looks like. Let's keep going and see what everything else. So I'm going to run 7/8 cable back up towards the house. I typically don't like to do this, but I've already ran the camera and I see there's a bunch of wipes or something built up. Probably 15 feet in, maybe 20. Probably belong even inside of the house. Gonna try a funnel head. See if I can't grab it. Alright, well I chickened out and I couldn't go far enough going this way to get stoppage. I was scared, so we're going to go on the roof and get that cleared out first. I gotta put my cables back in the thing so I can carry them up on the roof. Is so much lighter than carrying one of those old ass K60s. Yeah, we got one of these that you're definitely losing out. fucking sweat. Alright, now that we've been up top and cleared the stop, I'm gonna run the camera again. So this is before. This is what your cast iron outside looks like. You can see it's pretty rusty. So yeah, once we get in the house, it's pretty clear. So we're just gonna hit this outside area. Alright, we gotta switch heads on the jetter now and flush the rest of the shit down. We're out of here. That's all the rust and scale that's coming out of this pipe. Terrible. Pour some water out so you guys can see. Noise. It's all scale and rust. I just got off those pipes. Well, job is done. Time to clean up and get the fuck out of here.